Let us go to illustration number 14. Find the ideal index number for the year 2015 from the following data. Here there are three items given: A, B, C. Base year price is given, current year price also given. And what you are asked to do, you are to find out ideal index number. Ideal index number means what? Fisher's index number. Fisher's index number, we were doing it as a square root of IL into IP. Since IL and IP are not available, we can straight away do Fisher's index number. For that, what we do, just make the table where items are all given very clearly. P0 is given, Q0 is given, P1, Q1, all these are given. Then what you want to do, P1, Q0 and P0, Q0 both you have to find out. Also P1, Q1 and P0, Q1. So these four columns are to be filled, and the total also is to be found out. And once you do that, you will get the formula. You will use the formula Fisher's index number is equal to sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 multiplied by sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100. All these figures you have to pick up and apply it in the equation, and you will get the answer as 123.97. Again, base year index number is subtract from that is 100 is subtracted, so 23.97 is the rise in the prices in the year 2015 as compared to 2014. That is the final answer. You have to write that if it is asked as part of the question. Okay, so if you do this, you are getting step marks, and a total of 5 marks will be given to you, which you can easily pick up. Okay, so when ideal index number is asked, only ideal index number, that is Fisher's index number, this formula you have to make use and work out the sum. Now we proceed to illustration number 15. Find Fisher's index number for the year 2015 by taking the year 2014 as the base year from the data given below about consumption and total expenditure of 5 different items. See, the heading, column headings are for base year it is consumption and total expenditure. Okay, and for current year also consumption and total expenditure are the columns given. Now consumption means, it's a quantity. So since it is a quantity, you need not do anything extra there. Okay, quantity is given, so it is fine. Whereas total expenditure, when it is given, what does it mean? Total expenditure means, see, suppose you are going to a shop or a mall to buy different items. Say for example, you are buying 50 kilograms of say a particular rice. Okay, and at the counter you got a bill of 2,500 rupees. What does it mean? 50 kg when you purchased, you are paying 2,500, means how much may be the price? You can calculate. Total expenditure means the total amount you are spending on purchase of that item. Okay, so 50 kg is the quantity, price is not given, but total expenditure is 2,500. So you can easily find out the price. That is, total expenditure divided by consumption will be equal to the price. Okay, that is for the base year. So we will get it as 2,500 divided by 50. Okay, that calculation is shown here. See, we not to get the P0, we divide 2,500 by 50, so you get the price or P0 as 50. When it comes to say quantity, we are keeping it as the same. When it comes to current year, here we know the total amount we are paying is 4,200. See the table, 4,200 rupees you are paying, okay, for 60 kg. So what is the calculation? 4,200 divided by 60. Then you get the price in the current year as P1 is 70. Okay, so that is the meaning of that, and therefore you have to take a little care here you have to locate P1, P0 both. P0 you have to first find out, and then P1. Q0 and Q1 are given in the question. So now what you have to do, multiply P1 with Q0, so you get P1 Q0, and then P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P0 Q1. That this way you have to work out for A, B, C, D and E, all the items, okay, according to the consumption and the total expenditure. So total expenditure simply means when you are buying something, where is maybe different quantities of an item, and you come up to the bill place, okay, where you have to clear the bill. There at the counter there, what you have to pay is called the total expenditure. Okay, suppose for example, if you buy 10 pence or 12 pence, suppose 12 pence you are buying, each of rupees 5, 12 into 5, 60. That means the total expenditure is 60. If 12 pence you are buying, 12 pence you are buying, 60 divided by 12 is 5 rupees. So per unit price is obtained like this. And so here once you complete the table, you will apply the formula Fisher's index number is equal to this formula. Okay, so sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1, the whole multiplied by 100. Please see that this 100 is outside the square root bracket. Okay, and then you get IIF for Fisher's index number as 127.73. So final answer we got. And then if you're asked to find out the difference, then find out that as 27.73 is the rise in the price of the item. Okay, this is how we work out that question. Now please go through illustration number 10. Here the health department has implemented a certain policy for the industrial units in the year 2003 to control the possibility of cancer due to the chemical process which is hazardous to the health of workers employed in the industrial units of a certain industrial area who are residing in the same area. Like that question goes. So you are given age group and population in year 2003 and death in year 2003, death in year 2008 also is given. So what you are supposed to do here, age group and population of the year, okay, is given, that is weight is given. Death rate or death in the year 2003 is P0 and death in the year 2008 is P1. So what you have to do, since W is already available, we have to find out I. I is equal to P1 upon P0 into 100. Okay, then you work it out and you get it as 32.5, 68.97 like that. Okay, then you multiply I and W, then 325 like this you get. So 8,280 rupees. And now we can find out easily the index number. I is equal to sigma IW upon sigma W. And finally the answer comes to 70.17. And here you can see that 70.17 is less than 100. So compared to base year, there is a reduction, decrease of 29.83% cancer in the year 2008 as compared to the year 2003. So from base year to current year, we can see there is a reduction. Okay, so that is what is the question all about. Now what you do today is you have to work out this exercise 1.3 seriously. Okay, after learning the topics well, the definitions and the formula etc. Of different methods, apply those formula properly here with proper calculation, you will get all the answers correctly. Okay, so this is your assignment today, 1.3. Please do it and respond through your WhatsApp, so that we can understand whether you have uh, got the point clearly and you are able to do it. Take your time and please respond to all these questions properly and give answers. Thank you so much.